In this video, we will demonstrate how to retrofit an existing opening with the AD Series 993 exit trim. The door currently has a Von Duprin 99 exit device with a night latch function pull trim. These are the tools you will need for this installation. Feed the door position switch wires through the door position switch hole in the door edge. Run the wires through the upper hole on the inside of the door. Push the door position switch sensor into the opening. Then install the companion door position magnet into the hole in the frame. Close the door to check for alignment. This next step is only for the AD300. Ensure your power supply is turned off. Pull your RS485 cable through the top hole on the inside of the door. If your AD300 is hardwired separately, pull the two power wires through the same upper hole on the inside of the door. Insert the black protective grommets into the wire feed holes on the inside and outside of the door. This step is necessary when using an AD300 or AD400 series 993 exit trim. Install the RX-LC switch into the 9899 exit device. Watch the AD Series 9899 device RX-LC retrofit video for details. Install the tailpiece guide on the back of the exit device center case assembly. Route the RX wires from the center case through the door and back up through the grommeted holes to the inside. From the outside, insert the 4 sex bolts through the holes. If there is a large cutout in the door, use the retrofit plate provided to support the 2 lower bolts. Install the exit device per the manufacturer's instructions. Fasten to the sex bolts from the inside center case. Check the handing of the outside assembly. The knob stop pin should be pointing towards the latch edge of the door. If the assembly is not handed for your opening, rehand it now. Watch the AD Series 993 exit trim rehanding video to learn how. Cut the universal tailpiece as needed before installation. Make sure you cut the end without the hole. The length can vary, so make sure that you have the correct length before installing the tailpiece. Exact dimensions are indicated on the instructions. Slide the cut tailpiece into the outside assembly cam. Line up the holes and secure with the plug. In this case, we will be using a keypad reader. Seat the new reader into the outside assembly, ensuring the electrical connection is aligned and the gasketing is in the groove. Attach the reader with 2 screws from the back of the universal backplate. Be careful not to over-tighten. Install the cylinder and lever onto the outside assembly. Insert a Phillips screwdriver into the spindle assembly and rotate the cam clockwise until it stops. Place the cylinder into the handle and, holding it in place, insert the key. Turn the key 90 degrees clockwise and push the lever over the spindle. Depress the knob stop using the lever removal tool until the lever has passed the knob stop and you hear a click. Check the lever and cylinder have seated correctly by turning the key and removing the key from the lever. Install the 4 standoff posts into the back of the universal mounting plate. Place the outside assembly onto the door. Feed the ribbon cable through the grommeted hole. Guide the 4 standoff posts into the top and bottom mounting holes and insert the tailpiece into the tailpiece guide. Push flush to the door without crimping the ribbon cable or the RX wiring. From the inside of the door, use the 2 screws with washers and secure the bottom 2 standoff posts of the outside assembly. Install the inside assembly. Carefully feed the wires through the upper hole and the ribbon cable and RX wires through the large slot at the bottom. Push the assembly flush to the door without crimping any wires. Secure the bottom 2 screws into the top 2 standoff posts of the outside assembly. Install the top 2 mounting screws. To check for correct mechanical operation, Depress the inside push bar and make sure the exit device latch fully retracts. On the outside lever, insert the key and turn to verify full latch retraction. In some retrofit cases, you may need to install an AD Series decorative plate if there are any exposed holes. To complete this installation, watch the AD Series 993 exit trim electrical hookup video.